So this coil pack came off of a 23 XMR 1000. It's located back in there behind your coolant line. Saw on another YouTube video of a dude doing work on this four-wheeler that you could cross-reference it with this one from Auto Parts Store. That's the part number they gave me. The other part number is C1361, I do believe. It's an ignition coil. They're all the same. They got the same wires, same dimension, all that. We're gonna plug it in and see if it works. All right, so update, it definitely works. The part that I use again is just a ignition coil. Had to ride it for a second to clear it up, but